Alrighty, let's get your abs and diastasis, if you have one, ready for planks. This is a very important step for healing your diastasis and strengthening your abs. But we're not going to start from the ground. We're going to start a little bit higher first and then work our way down. So come to your wall into a standing plank position, resting your forearms on the wall, a nice tall plank with your chin tucked and your neck long. Inhale, exhale, and take one hand to check your diastasis. Make sure it is firm and there is no doming. Keep your ribs down and in. Pelvic floor should contract up and the glutes should squeeze. Your muscles should remain engaged after the first exhale, continuing to build core strength just as we did last week. If it's firm without doming, try walking down the wall a bit. Set up the same way with your neck long, chin tucked. Inhale and exhale. Your scapula and shoulder should be working when you take your arm off the wall. Check your diastasis again. Make sure that it is still firm and that there is no doming. Take a few breaths in each position, checking your abs and diastasis, making sure that they're flat and free of doming. And as you get stronger, you can continue to work yourself lower until you find yourself ready to tackle a plank from the ground.